welcome back. So guys, myself Priya'z and you are watching my channel Learning with Funny Activities. So guys, today's video is all about organizing small soft toys lying in every corner of the house. I know many of you will definitely relate to this video cause sometimes it becomes very annoying and time taking when you have to leave your whole work, when you have to spend your entire day searching that particular softies which your toddler demands. So today I'm sharing with you all a fantabulous, mind-blowing and an insanely inexpensive ways to quick fix all the small soft toys which I have in my house. Starting with the first, I always keep in mind to store these spiral bindings for my future use. So for today's video, my base is going to be this spiral. So guys, what I did is I started separating the spiral from this binding. It's a little bit tricky, boring and time taking. But yeah guys, as I move forward, I found my way to unhold it. What I did is I pressed this binding between my legs. With my left hand, I rolled the top edge and with the other hand, I rolled the bottom edge. And soon I found that it became super easy for me to detach the spiral from the bindings. Now next, I took an old broom. As you can see, I have experimented a lot just to find out which stick is going to hold the spiral strongly. Trust me guys, I didn't have to go out and waste my time in searching the perfect stick for this spiral. That is why this time my tutorial is going to be fully insane and inexpensive. So guys, after this process, the bamboo stick need to be smoothened, but if you wish you can skip this part. But it's me, since I want this whole organizing setup to be easily accessible to my girl without harming her, so I am completely discarding its rough edge with the sandpaper. Now, this part is optional. If you wish, you can simply go ahead with the natural color of the stick. But since I have to match with my wallpaper, so I am coloring it black. Now it's time for the wallpaper. At first I thought to simply hang it on the wall. But sooner I realized that it's going to be very simple and bland if considering to decorate my daughter's room. But thanks to Pinterest showing me the perfect wallpaper for this organizer. Yes guys, so here is a cute little panda which I traced on the sheet. I know I may go little awkward with my drawing, and that is why I already made it ready behind the camera. Now, to give it a little funky, classy and 3D type look, I am pasting this panda on the cardboard sheet. Last but not the least, for this DIY organizer, I have collected these clips to hold my softies tightly. Further, I have colored it with acrylic paint. You can go ahead with any color of your choice. But here I am using only two colors, that is orange and white. These clips can easily be available in any stationery stores. But I found it attached to my ID card, so I detached it. And in this way, my whole organizer is ready. Okay guys, so most of you might be thinking that why am I wasting my time in creating such stuff if I could easily buy one from the store. But let me tell you that whatever organizing stuff which you get at the store or at the shop, that's ready-made, and sometimes you need to compromise with it. But if you create one, then that's going to be your idea. It's definitely going to be unique, outstanding, appreciable, and it's very satisfying also. So guys, if you genuinely like this video, then please shower your love by just giving a thumbs up to this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel because we upload videos weekly on DIY, parenting and vlogs. Okay guys, so I will see you next week. Till then, take care and bye bye.